right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to add the lower thirds. So we're going to add lower thirds. We're going to play the video, and where I give kind of a welcome to the course, we'll drop a lower thirds there. And we're just going to add the lower third background, okay, to the timeline. The next video, we're going to be editing. So we're going to add the lower third just for the title graphic, okay? So you want to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life? Then Adobe Premiere Pro, I almost said Photoshop. Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate Course is for you. All right, so let's grab the graphics. Let's grab the chalkboard. I'll bring this in here. And let's put it up here so we can actually see it. And I'm going to bring this down. Kind of like that. Okay. And we're going to slap it right here. Okay. So we're going to leave it there. And in the next video, we're going to edit this and get everything where it needs to be. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.